Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a department here in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into your admin account. Now go to the top right and click on the gear icon that says settings. Okay, just click on it, and once done, go ahead and find manage accounts. Right here, just click on it, and then once done, go ahead and go to the top, and we have this tab. Alright, so what we'll do is just click on organization setup. Alright. Now click on it, and as you can see here in this section or panel, you have departments. So click on it, and once done, just go to the top and click on add department. As you can see here, I already have one, which is HR. So just gotta click on the blue button and give it a name. For example, information technology department. All right, or just leave it to information technology. Mail alias, maybe it@random.com. Department lead, select the person, for example, myself right here. And the parent department, just select from the drop down. If not, you can go and create one. Just click on the plus sign right here. All right, and add in your parent department. So basically, I'm just going to go ahead and select HR. And then once done, click on submit. If you want to create a new department, just click on submit and new. All right, as you can see here, it's done. Now for this department, you will have a related form. For example, right here, we have e-signature document. You can go ahead and click on the drop down. If you have a ton of forms right here, you can go ahead and select one. If not, you can go ahead and click on the plus sign to add in a new form. All right, but that's basically it. That is how you add a department here in Zoho People. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.